I might pull up with your boo. Then hit a 5-star restaurant, order man, I'm so soup. No matter how big the bitch is, I won't put it before my loot. I'm fresh as fuck, fresh off high speed chase like polo pool. You will never catch me telling another nigga what I won't do. I be DMing bitches too. I be like.
Foothill meat. Man, we got Gay Chris, Kevin in the back. Gay Chris. Chris is so, tallest man alive. Burn that shit. Oh, this was next or what? This fool, what the fuck? God damn, the fucking is muddy. Facts. God damn, they brought the horse. Goddamn horse. Say what's up, KG. Top tier. Danny. Ooh, Papi Chulo right here. Papacholo right here too. Papi, you say wait. elote, man. Hey, got the elote man recording. Hey, the elote man was all hyped up.
12 seconds later.
Damn, so Chris let me drive his truck to do a burnout and some fool crash. Damn. No quema, cut.
You want to switch seats or no?
Hold on, let me let this fool go.
This thing has a bad trim. We just
Oh yeah, you wanna go then?
put it in park. Yeah, and you almost hit that green trim. Here, no, just climb in.
Oh shit, this nigga. Damn, Chris, hop on my dick. Oh nah, fool, just fucking watch. I got. Damn. They crashed. That's all bad. What do you think they were doing, fool?
Obviously not a donut or a burnout, nothing like that.
Nah, they were just driving, you know, slipped. So. Ciao, niggas.
Pull up on the side, we'll just switch.
Wait, why is it going bad? Nigga. I fucking put it park. Hey, Chris. Hey, let's go check that shit out. Damn, so I guess apparently somebody crashed. Boy, Chris, put in your work. Damn. Damn. That's crazy.
Hey, what part you need?
Huh?
What part you need?
Oh, I got tools, fool. It's crazy. That's what happens when niggas is going stupid. Yeah. Man, hella shit going on tonight. Oh shit. losing this shit. God damn. It's fucking it up. That's crazy. That shit is smoking. Damn. I full took his truck. What the fuck? I full took that shit.